Is it possible to create AMI ID by using Terraform script? Hi, this is Ravi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is day 29 class. In this class, we are going to learn about how to create the AMI ID by using Terraform script. Also, how you can install the Nginx by using Terraform script. These are the things we are going to understand in today's class. Make sure that you have to practice well. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today we are going to deal with how to create the AMI ID by using Terraform script. Till now we have to copy the AMI ID from the instance and paste it in the resource block, right? So today I am not going to do that. I am going to create the AMI ID by using the script, name it as data source block. Also, I am going to install Nginx by using the script itself. Whenever I am launching the instance, that is going to be installed automatically. Whenever I say the path, it's going to be display what the content we have in the Nginx that should be display on the web. Okay, let's see how to establish them. Okay, now I am going to create the folder over here. Create one folder. Terraform -AWS. Save this. Open this. Click on file. Open folder. Desktop. Select select the folder which we have created. Select this folder. First, I am going to create the Terraform block. Terraform.tf. Okay, you already know what is the script we have to paste in here. Okay, I am having the script. Let me open this. In the Terraform block, we need to mention what is the version of this. Okay, and also source. What is the source? These things we have to mention over here. Okay, just copy this and then just paste it here. Okay, and don't forget to save this. Now I am going to create the provider block. Provider.tf. In this provider.tf, Terraform not only supports AWS but also supports Azure, GCP, Alibaba, Oracle, several types of cloud it is going to support. So that's why we have to mention which cloud we are using in this provider block. So we are using the AWS cloud, right? So provider is AWS. So that is we have to mention over here. Okay, paste it here. Also, don't forget to check the region US East 1. Let me go you which region I am. California. Okay, US West 1. Okay, let me change this. US West 1. Okay, don't forget to save this. Click on save. After that, I am going to create the AMI because we have to create the AMI, right? Don't copy from the instance. So AMI hyphen data source dot tf. Which name you want, you can take. Okay, enter. In this, we have to write the script, right? I am having the script. Let me explain you what the script actually does. Copy this. Okay, here you can see I am using the Linux flavor which is Amazon Linux. Okay, that we need to mention over here. And also owners are Amazon, right? The Amazon Linux going to be provide Amazon itself. Okay, and also you can observe the values. Let me show you what is the values we have to give. Click on launch instance. Okay, are you able to see Amazon Linux? This is the name, right? HVM virtualization is HVM. Root device type is EBS, right? And also 64-bit x86. These are the things we have to mention in the AMI. So you can observe here. This is the Amazon AMI HVM. Okay. Root device type is EBS. Virtualization type is HVM. And also this is for 64-bit in x86, right? These are the things, basic things we have to mention here. Okay. So this is going to be generate the AMI ID. I'm not going to copy anything over here. I'm writing the script. By using this script, the AMI ID is going to be launched. So don't forget to save this file. After that, I'm going to create the EC2 instance. EC2-instance dot tf, enter. Okay, in this I'm going to write the script. Okay, this is the script for creating EC2 instance. Okay, resources, AWS instance, AMI ID. We have passed the AMI ID, right, in the data source block. Instance type is also going to be passed in the variable.tf. Okay, key name is key pair. So are you able to see the script? The script is going to be launching the Nginx. Okay, the script is going to be launch the Nginx. Whenever you say the command, whenever you go to the path, which is this, there is index.html file, right? Automatically the script is going to be inserted into that. Okay, whenever you are copy the public IP of the instance and paste it into the web browser, then you can observe this. Okay, this is the process we have. You just copy this and paste it here. Okay, now what I supposed to do is I'm going to let me save this first. I'm going to create the security groups because we have to provide the security for the instance, right? Security dot tf. Okay, in this security I'm going to write the script. You already seen yesterday's class how to create the security groups by using Terraform script. I hope you can understand easily. Okay, this is the script for creating security groups. I will also explain this once again. So paste it here. Let me explain you. Okay, in this first block, we are going to allow the port number which is 22. Okay, description is 22. From port is also 22 and to port is also 22. Protocol which is TCP protocol. CIDR means all traffic, and the egress means it comes under the outgoing traffic. From port is 0, to port is 0. Protocol -1 means any traffic from the instance outgoing, any traffic is going to out from the instance. Okay, -1 means any traffic like TCP, UDP, ICMP. These are the things it's going to out from the traffic. Okay, this comes under the creating 22 SSH, and this block is comes under the HTTP because we are installing the Nginx, right? So you need to see the output by using web, right? So you have to allow the port number 80 in the security groups as well. So that's why I'm going to allow the port number which is 80 over here. From port is 80 to port is also 80. And the protocol comes under the TCP. It comes under all traffic. Ingress means incoming traffic. Egress means outgoing traffic. These are the major difference between these two. The protocol is -1 means every traffic is going to out from the instance, which comes under TCP, UDP, ICMP. These are the protocols we have. So don't forget to save this file. Okay. After that, I am going to create the variable.tf. What the variable.tf is going to work. Let me show you. Variable.tf. Paste it here. Okay. In this variable.tf, the reason is you have to mention the availability zone, right? So you can observe ec2 instance.tf. Instance type is var.ec2 instance type, right? You have given this. So you can observe variable.tf. The instance type is this. Means var.tf is going to be inserted over here in place of var.ec2 instance type. Going to be insert t3 micro. Okay, we don't have US East 1 year, right? Because we are in California, so we need to mention the availability zone, which is US West 1A, right? US West 1A. It is sufficient. Now let me save this file. After that, I am going to create the I already done with Terraform block, provider block, AMI, security blocks, also variable dot. Okay, these things we have done. Now I am going to create the output.tf. What this output.tf block is going to work, how it's going to be work. Let me explain you. Output.tf. Enter. Paste it here. Let me explain you. Whenever you are creating the instance, the public IP will be generated, right? By using that public IP, you can work together and you can work with move forward by using that public IP. Whenever you are pasting the public IP of the instance in the HTTP. Whatever the content we have in the index.html, it's going to be displayed in the front end, right? So for that reason, I am going to create the output session. By using this output.tf, it will be going to generate the public IP of the instance. Okay, so that's why I mentioned it as EC2 instance public IP. This is the keyword. By using this keyword, the output is going to be displayed. The public IP is going to be displayed in the output.tf. Okay, so this is the way we are creating over here. And how the public IP is going to attach to this output.tf means my EC2 VM. Okay, you can observe EC2 instance. The name is my EC2 VM, right? So this is going to be called the EC2 instance what we have created already. So don't forget to save this file. So you can observe instance.ec2 instance.ef. We have given the some commands, right? These things need to be installed whenever you are creating the instance by using Terraform script. How these things are going to be created, right? So we have to create one file which is nginx-installation dot sh. Enter. You have to mention the script. What are the things you need to get whenever you launching the instance, right? So that's why I'm just copying this and paste it here. Okay, don't forget to save this file. Okay, here what we supposed to do is the script is in shebang. First we have to update the system. After that I'm going to install the Nginx, enable the Nginx, start the Nginx. Okay, in I am going to change the path. In that path I am going to insert this data. Okay, we have to get what we have inserted in this. Okay, now what I supposed to do is mostly we have done everything. Now I am going to start this Terraform init. Enter. It's going to be initializing. We have to wait for some time. Okay, Terraform has been successfully initialized, right? Now I am going to say the command which is Terraform validate. Enter. Okay, success. Configuration is valid. Now I am going to say the command which is Terraform plan. What are the resources are going to be created? It is going to be show Terraform plan. Enter. Okay, plan 3 means EC2 instance is going to be create. Also, two security groups are going to be created. Those are SSH, also web traffic. Two security groups and one instance. So the plan is added to 3. Now I am going to say the command which is Terraform apply. Enter. Say yes. Okay, we got an error. Let me figure it out. Okay, key pair we have to mention here. Which key pair I have created and also what key pair I am having. Click on launch instance. Okay, Terraform key. I am having the Terraform key. So change the key name. Terraform key hyphen key. So don't forget to save this and then say command which is Terraform apply. Say yes. Okay. We got an IP address, right? Which is public IP. You can observe in what region we got US West 1. This region I have given in the provided block, right? US West 1. So now what I am going to supposed to do is click on instances. First I need to check whether the instance is going to be launched or not. Do refresh. Nginx servers. I put it the name as Nginx server. You can observe in EC2 instance.tf the name I have given which is Nginx server, right? Also you need to check whether the security groups are created or not. In that security group we have below the port numbers, right? You can observe them as well. Click on security. Okay, two security groups are created. One is for SSH, other one is for web. So click on SSH first. Click on inbound rules. Okay, the port number is allowed SSH, right? So cancel this, and also you can check another security group which is web. Click on web security, inbound rules. Port number ID is to be allow, right? TCP. So we have done everything. Now what I supposed to do is I am going to connect to this instance. Let me check whether the Nginx is installed or not. Right? Connect this and then connect. Okay, what public IP we got over here? The same IP you can observe here. Right? Now say the command which is sudo hyphen I. Okay, say ls cd space slash usr slash share nginx slash html. Enter. Okay, we have the path. Say ls. We have index.html file as well, right? In that we have some content. What content we are having? Let me open nginx installation.sh. This is the thing we are having in this index.html, right? So let me observe. I'm going to copy the public IP of this instance. Copy this and I'm going to paste it here. Enter. Okay. I'm getting proper output, right? I have not created manually. Just I write the script. I wrote the script and I got the output. So this comes under the automation. So by using Terraform, we have created, right? This is the process we have. If you want to terminate it, just say the command which is Terraform destroy. It's going to be terminate. Say yes. Okay, destroy completed. 3 have created and 3 are destroyed. Now you can check whether the instance is running or not. It should be terminate. Okay, Nginx server is going to be terminated, right? So nothing is there. Do refresh. It's also not there. Okay, the instance is not available. It is in not valid state. Okay, this is the process we have. You can practice well. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comments. I will provide the entire script in the description. Make sure that you have to practice well and you have to understand what the script actually does and how the script is going to be work. These are the things we have to understand first. Then only it is possible to create whatever you want. Okay. Thank you.